You know, this is actually, it's a nice drum magazine. So you wind it up right here. Keep winding it up until you hear a different sound. Okay, so I think it has, and I think it's kind of wobbly. Okay, so I think it has some BBs now. I'm gonna shoot it. So fire, single. Okay, that's nice actually. Full auto. Here, show them where I'm aiming. I'm aiming at that tree over there. There's a big tree up there.
Let me try.
And this is with .25. Okay, I'm gonna aim at this box right here. It's actually, I like it. It's smooth. Here, show them me firing. Okay, so. Okay, this is pretty powerful. Yeah, it's about, I'd say it's about. Yeah, it's nice. Okay. Drum magazine holds 450 rounds. Full auto. This is with the 9.6 volts, not fully charged. I only charge it for like half an hour. Let's see. Let's have the rate of fire. That's good. That's good. I like it. Okay. So this was a review of the Thompson 1928 Chicago Typewriter, licensed by Cybergun, made by Cyma. Yeah, remember, don't mess with Tony Montana, man. Tony Montana, Al Pacino, always pay on time. Say hello to my little friend. Yeah, don't mess with Tony Montana, Al Pacino, man.